me talk about this real quick because this was a banger. A banger. Options trading is the best thing in the world. Obviously, you can get hit on it if you don't know what you're doing, but the opportunities, the risk reward is absolutely crazy. If you know what you're doing, you see the right setups, and timing is everything. So look at this chart. This was on my watch list last week. If you're subscribed to this channel or you watch any of my videos, I know I haven't been too active on YouTube, but I am just starting out. So here we go. We're going to make this a lot better, but this was what I was looking at right here. So much consolidation. Bank earnings were last week on Friday. JP Morgan and Citi reported, and I said before the week started that this, I call it a hammer candle. It's also a bullish pin bar. Look at this right here, bullish pin bar. That is a buy signal. Right at the bottom of this trend, it was consolidating right at this 200 EMA that I love so much. And I knew that there was a nice little gap to this 360. I signaled in my YouTube watch list that I was going to be taking 360 calls 2 weeks in advance because it gives me some time. There's some theta decay. If you don't know what theta decay is, we can revisit that in another video. But theta decay is basically these contracts lose value as it gets closer to its expiration because there's an expiration date on all these contracts. So I'm looking at the 360 calls for Goldman Sachs. They were worth $290 when I started that video. Goldman Sachs for this week, the 13th, or no, it was the January 23rd. No, January 20th, 2023. 360 calls were at 200. Look at what they're worth right now. This right here, 13.50. That's $1,350. That's $1,100 that this contract just made. $1,100, and the bid-ask spread is so wide that you could probably sell this for $1,700 or $1,680 or something like that. So you literally could have made $1,400 off of $290 just by holding this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, all week, 5 days, and the expiration was this Friday to come. So you had so much time on your side. You could have bought even further out. Obviously, further outs are way more expensive, but $290. to $1,600 on one. Imagine you buy 10 of those. $2,900 to $16,000 in 5 days. I just don't know any industry that could do that. So obviously timing is everything. You can obviously lose money on the downside, but the opportunities that present itself in this entire industry, in the stock market, in trading, if you find the right setups, this game can change your life. So I just had to highlight that. Goldman Sachs, you are the best. I ended up selling a little bit early, but God bless you and God bless the stock market.